Okay, so we have already worked with the layers. We have moved them up and down. Now what we're going to do is work with symbology. We have used already single symbol, but we are going to explore another methodologies to change the symbology. Here on this under symbology, again, we've used single symbol, but there are other two that we're going to use today: graduate colors and graduate symbols. So we are going to work first with state. We can either under the catalog pane drag the layer so we can make another copy on the map, or we can simply select the layer state, click on copy, click on top of the base map or the map, I'm sorry, and then right click and paste. So I'm going to drag the layer on top of state so I have a repeated layer state. So I'm going to turn off one of them, save the project, and I will open the attribute table. I will hide catalog back here. First, we will start with a map of total cultivators, but then we will calculate the percentage of cultivators by state. And we will be using two different fields. So I'm going to show you here under state. We will use total number of cultivators, and we will use total workers. So in order to have the percentage of number of cultivators, we need to use the total workers as well. So I'll look in the attribute table for those two fields. Here is total cultivators and total workers are here. I'm going to close the attribute table and I'm going to open symbology. If it's not open for you, remember, just right click symbology, and then under primary symbology I'm going to click again on the drop down and look for graduate colors. Now when you change to graduate colors, it asks you for a field, so it's basically allowing you to select a field that is going to be used to change the symbology based on the numbers. So the field needs to be numeric. You need to make sure that the field is numeric. In this case it is. I'm going to look for the field total cultivators. I found it here, select it, and you will see how it's going to change the color distribution on a map. Now right now the method that is using is natural breaks. We have 5 classes, and then the color scheme is a yellow to red, which doesn't represent cultivators in my opinion. So I'm going to select a different color, maybe white to green. And the distribution of the colors from light to dark stayed the same or remained the same, but the colors change if you look at the classes right here. Also, you can look at the histogram, which shows you the distribution of the data and the different scales.